this is the first video that I'm having, and my name is Emma, and today we're going to do the slime switch up challenge with my mom. So, snoring. So, first we're going to put these, and for one, we have unwrapped these two. This was belonging to this one, and this belongs to this one. So first we're gonna tell you which color we made. So this one we made a little pinkish color, and we also have the paper right here. It says that it's supposed to be pink. It says it's supposed to be purple or pink, and we got pink. Yeah, we got pink, and it's time for yours. So she got a blue one, and
How come so small?
yeah, and it's a little bit really cracky because it's never been played that much. So yeah, you can put that back in here. Okay, so you can put that back in there. Okay, so please subscribe because we have purchased a lot of things. Like, we have purchased like maybe 5 poopsie surprises, I think, or 6, I forgot. And we got also one for free, so thank you. Because from Amazon, we got that one. So that's 7. So thank you. So we'll begin. First round, we are gonna have the spoons. The golden one is the good one, so let's start. Ready? Okay, put that back up there. Okay. There, ready? Set, go. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Okay, so you can turn around. Okay, no peeks. Okay, this one right here. There we go. Hey, no looking. And I'm catching a hamster. Okay, you can come back now. Okay, now rock, paper, scissors. Okay, rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, canary. No.
Okay.
Okay. Now you open the shop.
Okay.
Okay, so it's now it's my turn to take the peek. Oh, which one should I take? I'm gonna pick this one. No looking.
Wait,
No looking.
you're looking inside.
Yeah, you're allowed to. You're supposed to.
Oh, really?
Yes. Okay.
So I guess first, right?
You have to want to say switch up or stay.
Stay.
Okay, let's open up. That's 1.4, Mom. That's wait, nothing. There. Okay, that's good. Okay, the pencil's done. Next one, we're gonna have maybe the scent. Let's start the scent. Okay, rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Bam, canary.
Cranberry.
Canary. Okay. And the code says the E-O-E. Wait, not the, yeah, not yet. The 3-1. That's the good one, okay? So you're gonna have to check the codes. Ready? Switch back up. Okay, ready, set, go. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Oh, okay.
So both?
Yeah.
Okay.
I get to peek. Again. Drop the bomb.
Did you see?
Wait, can you turn it a little bit? Okay. That's the. Okay.
Running.
Turn.
Running.
Okay.
What?
Switch or stay.
Switch this time then.
Ready? Set. With the 303 E1 is a good one.
Okay.
Okay? Ready? Set. Go. Okay. Let's check now.
Huh? No.
Oh, I got it. 30E1. 30E1.
Okay.
That's 1 point for me.
Emma.
Okay. Oh, don't put it back in. Ready? Set. Go. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Back, back.
Oh,
Turn.
oh, how come?
Okay. This one. There. And this one. And there. I should put this right there. Drop mic. Alright, I'm done. Okay. Ready? Set, go. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
What? Shuffle? Okay. Which one is good?
The pink one.
The pink one's good?
Yes. I get the pink. Let's see.
I would say stay.
Ready? Set.
Go.
Oh. And the extra round is going to be if you win, then you get all of the things. So that's good. Now it's the drink. I think if you do that one, then you win all. So ready, set, go. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Bang. Turn, turn.
What?
There's stay in here. Oh, she's patting to the doggy. I'm watching you. Oh, this one doesn't have any. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Okay. Ready?
What?
Go.
Shuffle? Okay. Which one is good?
The Sunday's good.
Okay. Okay, I open it. Repeat.
It's my turn because you're shuffling. When do you peek?
How come I never peek?
Then you have to try to lose. Looks like. Is that green? What's the green? No, that's pink. That's pink. That's pink. Okay, your turn.
What do you think? Switch or stay?
I can't know. You have to pick. I wish I could just peel this off.
Oh no. I will swap. Change it. Change.
Napkin.
Okay.
Oh. Ready? Set.
Go.
And if you had noticed, over here it says milk, water, juice, and other. And it says caution over here. Very stinky.
Okay.
It says that. Really. It says it.
Okay, let's
See,
go,
I'll
let's go.
show you. I'll show you.
No,
Okay.
no, you don't need to. Okay.
Okay. So I'll show you later at the end of the video.
Oh, the last one.
The last
Which
one,
one is good?
if you win, then you win all of it. Put this cup. You better win this time and you better peek. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Oh, okay. That means I'm going to be shuffling this time. I'm shuffling.
Oh, I like this one. Okay.
That is the opposite. No looking.
Huh?
No looking. Okay. Now it's your turn to peek.
Okay. Then.
I would like to stay.
You want to stay?
Yeah.
Okay.
Then-
1, 2, 3, go!
No!
Yes, okay. Okay. Let's see the count, the score.
Mom won all of the rounds. So congratulations.
Yeah.
And for my for my next video, I might do some playing slime, or I might Aiden. I want to poo baton. I'm wrapping up my poo baton. I'll show you right now. Scoot, 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 scoot. It's very big. This is my poo baton from Xmas, and I did not open it yet. No, as you can see, there's line liners and stuff. And it's very cute. It has like good eyelashes, and as if you had watched the poo baton stickers, trust me, this is not leather, and this is also not band plastic. It is not. It is really hard as this one, but it's a little, and it's not that rubberish. It's like stone, I think. I do not know why.
Okay. So
It's good. And please subscribe. And we waste a lot of money on this. So thank you and bye.